Okay, back since I did one of these in a long time. Picked up the car early January, so it was still raining, so I couldn't really do much except, you know, mechanic work and making sure the thing started. But spring came, I was on vacation, my shooting hobby came in. So now that I'm injured and I got time, so I decided to get back on the Corolla. So last I left you guys, I was fixing holes and stuff. I pretty much got that done. You can tell on the windowsill here. On the cowl, I got that pretty much down. And I also put a couple coats of primer on the whole car. So I shot the hood, the fenders, and tailgate separate. There used to be a massive hole here. I repaired it, and it's still a little rough. I gotta spot putty some stuff. But other than that, the primer job came out well. Used 3 quarts. I put I want to say 3.5 coats. But I put on where were the problem areas, I put like 4 or 5 because used to be a fat hole here too. Back here, the tailgate. Yeah, came out nice. I had to chop the rain gutter off. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I might just leave it as it is and call it a battle scar. And then the primer came out well. See from the side, used to be a problem here on the cowl too. Took care of that. Yeah. Oh, shouts out to the gunman. He got me turned on to this primer gun that I used. It's the gunza AG3. Grab it for you guys. Yeah, very nice gun. Primer gun 1.8. On the fluid tip, settings I use: full fan, full fluid. Because it was hot today, I had to up the pressure. I was at 2 bar or 25 psi to 27. That's pretty high. Well, it is hot today, so other than that, hopefully the next video I'll have some color on. I decided to go with a midnight blue. So until the next one, guys, peace.